Pause for the Claws exclusive. We out here with the baby on the beach, hunting wings. What the heck is going on at this bird meeting? Why is this guy flexing? Homie over here flexing. They look like dragons. Seagull just chilling. He's like, when's it my turn to speak? My babies already want to speak. Pigeon dude, he wants to speak. And Game of Thrones, Dragon 1 and 2, 3 is over here. The cast off is over here. What is happening? What is happening at the bird meeting? What is happening? Exclusive. Pause for the Claws. Today is Watating with the wings. Up Schitt's Creek with the beak. Except we're at the lake. Something bird thing that rhymes with ache.